Okay, hi everybody, this is Tim from Ezylead. This short video is just going to take you through how you set up your integration with the Ezylead app to your Instapage campaign. So first of all, we're in the Ezylead app here, and you just click on New Integration and choose Instapage. And you'll see here that there's a link at the top, which is what you need to copy. So the little icon on the right, just click copy and then give your integration a name. So we'll just call that video demo and click integrate. And under integrations, you'll see there the name you've allocated and the source of the actual lead as well, which in this instance is Instapages. So then you need to jump into your Instapage account, and you'll see here we've got a couple of pages already set up. Now on the left-hand side, first of all, choose integrations. And you'll see there's a list of page integrations here. So just scroll down until you get to webhook. And here we go. So what you're doing is then just pasting the link that you copied from the Ezylead app under URL and click connect. And you'll see here at the top, webhook, connected account, and there's your link. What you then need to do is go back to the list of pages that you've got set up. And we'll just choose one we've already got sorted. So you'll see here on this particular form, we have name, email, and telephone number, which are the three components that you can use to collect leads and integrate with the application. So, and then also there's a comments section that we've added. So if you wanted to collect any additional form data, we do have one extra field with the Ezylead app. And I'll show you how you include that as well when we're actually setting everything up. So we've chosen that page, and then you'll see again on the left menu there's integrations. So just choose integrations, and you'll see here you've got form integrations, which is the one that you want. And you'll see webhook listed. Just select that. And then this pop-up will give you the available endpoints. And you'll see there, this is the link that we connected earlier under the main page in the Instapage account. So all you do is click continue, leave send by post as the default, continue again. And here what you have to do is rename the fields, and all this is doing is matching up with the database in your Ezylead account. So everything is lowercase. So name, email, and then we remove telephone, and we just leave it as phone in lowercase. And in the comments section, or if it's an additional field perhaps that you want to include, you just change that to notes so that it's labeled appropriately, and then click continue. Continue again, we don't need anything there, and then finish. You'll see here the webhook is now connected to that particular page that you've created. Really, really important. You'll on the top right here, you'll see update, and you must click update so that that's all saved and linked to the page that you have. So what we're going to do now is go to the page layout and content, click on preview just to test and make sure that integration is working properly. And we'll put in some dummy data in the page. We've actually got some available, which is good. And here we'll just put Instapage integration test. Perfect. So once you've entered your data, then just click on the call to action. And you'll hear in the background a little ping on my phone. So the lead has come through to the mobile app, which is fantastic. It means I can contact the lead straight away. And then we can actually jump back into the Ezylead app, look at the list of integrations, and refresh, quick refresh, and you'll see here one lead has actually come in. And if you go to your list of leads, You'll see it's marked as new. That's the source of the lead that's actually come in. And you'll see exactly the same information on the Ezylead app. And that's it, all done. So very, very easy. Just follow those steps and the integration will work perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe to us because we'll be posting other videos with other integrations and, of course, tips on how to set up various campaigns within different industry sectors as well. Thank you very much.